This is another story, is the Nightingale. El ruiseñor.
I will tell you a story that took place a long time ago. Once upon a time, in China, there lived an emperor with the most beautiful palace in the entire world. This palace had a garden, one so beautiful and vast, with the ends stretching as far as the sea. One day, the Emperor of Japan gave the Emperor of China a gift. He gave him a book with description of his beautiful garden and his most precious treasure, the Nightingale. The Chinese Emperor was shocked and amazed that the existence of such a wonderful creature was true and living in his garden. Immediately, he ordered the people of his court to find and bring the Nightingale to sing at court that night. He questioned the entire palace, asking each person if they knew the whereabouts of the Nightingale. Finally, a girl who worked in the kitchen was able to reveal where the Nightingale was living. That same night, the little Nightingale sang for court, leaving both the Emperor and his court stunned with the beautiful performance. From that night on, the Nightingale was forced to reside in the palace.
One day, a package arrived. Inside was a gold and silver mechanical Nightingale, covered with precious stones. This mechanical Nightingale sang just like the real one, but it could only sing one unique melody. The musician proposed the two birds making a duet, but they didn't work because each bird had a different face. While the cat was listening to the mechanical bird sing, the real Nightingale thought of his long-lost freedom and flew to escape the palace. Once the Emperor had learned of the Nightingale's flight, he banished the bird from empire. Years later, the mechanical Nightingale began to fare. The watchmaker stated the bird could only sing once a year.
Five years later, the Emperor had fallen seriously ill. One morning, he awoke to a weight resting on his chest and saw death. Since then, spirits would appear to him and tell all the actions of his life. Suddenly, the little Nightingale returned, and with her singing made death leave. From that moment on, she would sing to the Emperor every night.